Hey everyone, welcome back. Following the unveiling of its latest software updates, Apple has confirmed that public betas for iOS 26, iPadOS 26, macOS Tahoe, watchOS 26, and tvOS 26 will be available starting July 2025. For now, the betas remain exclusive to developers, but Apple's fine print makes it clear that a broader release is just weeks away. It's worth pointing out that Apple typically uses developer beta phase to identify and resolve early bugs and refine features. And once that phase is well underway, public beta versions are rolled out to a wider audience for further testing and feedback. If Apple sticks to its usual pattern, we can expect the public betas around mid-July. Here is a quick look at the recent public beta release dates. iOS 18 July 15, iOS 17 July 12, iOS 16 July 11, iOS 15 June 30, iOS 14 July 9. Given this history, the public betas for 2025 could arrive sometime between July 8 and July 15, following the release of the second or the third developer beta. In addition to the major platforms, Apple also plans to make public betas available for HomePod Software 26 and AirPods firmware, which is a rare move. Public beta firmware updates haven't typically been offered for these devices in the past. However, Apple's beta site confirms this option will be available later this year. Notably, Vision OS will remain restricted to developers with no public beta planned at this time. And once the developer and public beta cycles are complete, all of Apple's new software platforms are expected to launch officially to the public this fall, in line with the company's usual release schedule. Whether you are eager to test new features or just want to see what's coming next, July will be the month to watch.